Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best rolling desk chairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of furniture for anyone who spends a significant amount of time at a desk, whether for work, study, or gaming. These chairs are designed to provide comfort, support, and mobility, allowing you to move around your workspace with ease while maintaining good posture and reducing strain on your body. Investing in a quality rolling desk chair can significantly enhance your productivity and overall well-being, making it a crucial consideration for any home office or professional environment. Number 5. FDW Mid-Back Mesh Office Chair. Setting up your new chair is a breeze. We've included all the necessary tools and clear instructions, so you can assemble it quickly and easily at home. Glide effortlessly across any surface with our 360-degree swivel casters. They move smoothly and quietly, protecting your floors from scratches. Experience superior comfort with its breathable mesh backrest. It conforms to your spine, offering excellent support to reduce pressure and fatigue. Easily adjust the seat height with pneumatic controls. Engage the rocking mode to relax during your workday, supporting up to 250 pounds. We stand by our product with a dedicated customer service team. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like? If you need a chair that's quick to set up and easy to move around, this one is a great choice. Its quiet casters won't disturb your work or your housemates. If you prioritize a cool and comfortable backrest during long work sessions, you should consider this. What people say. It supports my back well, which is great considering I have horrible posture and need any help I can get. The chair is easy to put together and easy to adjust. It offers a decent amount of support. This chair helps a ton with the lumbar spine pain so that I can sit longer and do what I enjoy. Number 4. Nouhaus Ergo 3D Ergonomic Office Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort with our ergonomic office chair, designed for the modern professional. Its 4D adjustable armrests and 3D lumbar support adapt to your body, reducing spinal pressure and providing personalized comfort for long workdays. Stay cool and comfortable all day long. The full-body mesh design ensures excellent breathability and heat dissipation, preventing sweat buildup even during extended use. It's like sitting on clouds, keeping you dry and relaxed. Built to last, this chair has passed rigorous BIFMA and static pressure tests for exceptional stability. The durable aluminum alloy base and smooth rolling casters support up to 275 pounds, ensuring reliable performance. Enjoy customized support with 4 key points: head, back, hip, and hands. Adjust the seat, headrest, and lumbar support to fit your unique needs, reducing discomfort for those who spend long hours at their desk. Setting up your new chair is a breeze. With simple, clear instructions, you can assemble it in just 8 easy steps, allowing you to enjoy its benefits in no time. Whether for work, study, or gaming, this chair adapts to your lifestyle. It's perfect as a student chair, computer chair, or desk chair, becoming an indispensable part of your daily routine. What we like? For those seeking a highly customizable seating experience, this chair offers unparalleled adjustability. The 4D armrests and 3D lumbar support allow for a perfect fit, reducing strain. If you spend extended hours at your desk and need maximum ergonomic support, this is the one for you. What people say. The desk chair is very sturdy and well-made, with a smooth rolling mechanism that makes it easy to move around. I love the adjustable height feature, which allows me to customize the chair to my perfect sitting position. The lumbar support is also excellent, providing great comfort during long work sessions. Number 3. Furmax White Leather Vanity Office Desk Chair. Feeling tired from a long day? This chair is designed with high elastic foam padding to provide excellent back support, ensuring you stay comfortable even after extended periods of sitting. Tackle your tasks with ease thanks to the 360-degree swivel seat and smooth rolling casters. It glides effortlessly across the floor, making multitasking a breeze whether you're working or getting ready. Perfect for any room, this chair fits seamlessly into your bedroom, office, or study. Use it with your dressing table or writing desk for added style and functionality. Wrapped in smooth PU leather with a gleaming chrome base, its armless design adds a touch of modern elegance. It's not just a chair, but a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Setting up is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary tools and a clear design, so you can have it assembled in just 5 minutes, even on your own. We're here to help. Our dedicated after-sales team is ready to provide professional assistance whenever you need it. Contact us with any product concerns. What we like. If you're looking for a stylish and space-saving option, especially for a vanity or a smaller desk area, this chair is ideal. Its cute leather finish adds a touch of elegance. If you prefer an armless design for more freedom of movement or a compact chair that's easy to tuck away, consider this. What people say. Assembly was super easy and it took my husband 5 minutes to put it together. It has just enough cushion to make it comfy, and I like that you can adjust the seat up and down. The chair offers a comfortable seating experience with its padded seat and provides adequate support for extended use. The 360-degree swivel feature is convenient, allowing easy movement while getting ready. Number 2. Primy Tall Ergonomic Drafting Chair. This versatile chair is designed for your comfort, whether you're at a standing desk, sitting desk, or bar. Its adjustable footrest and flip-up armrests offer personalized support and space-saving convenience. Experience superior comfort with its curved backrest that perfectly fits your body. The adjustable lumbar support helps protect your spine and alleviate pain during long work hours. Stay cool and comfortable with its breathable mesh back and a thick, high-density sponge seat cushion. This design reduces discomfort and prevents that stuffy feeling, even in warmer weather. Easily move around your workspace with 360-degree swivel and smooth rolling casters. The stable 5-claw base ensures steady support and quiet movement. We're confident you'll love this chair. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and our customer service team is here to help with any questions or concerns. What we like. This chair is perfect for those who work at standing desks or need extra leg support. The adjustable footrest ring provides a comfortable place to rest your feet, reducing pressure. If you appreciate the flexibility of flip-up armrests and need a chair that accommodates higher workspaces, this is a strong contender. What people say. The ergonomic design effectively reduces pressure on my back and legs. The seat is well padded and comfortable even after sitting for a few hours, and the curved mesh back provides good support. The high back provides full lumbar support, offering strong stability for your back, neck, and waist. Number 1. Naspaluro Ergonomic Office Chair. Experience superior comfort with our ergonomically designed chair. Its S-shaped backrest, headrest, and lumbar support perfectly contour to your body, providing optimal support for your back. Customize your seating experience with multiple adjustment options. Flip-up armrests offer support and can be tucked away to save space, while adjustable height and tilt ensure you find the perfect position. Crafted from high-quality, breathable polyester mesh, this chair keeps you cool and comfortable. The high-density sponge cushion provides soft yet durable support for long hours. Rest assured with its stable and safe design. Featuring a SGS-certified gas rod, a heavy-duty base, and smooth rolling casters, it offers excellent stability and mobility for everyday use. Setting up is a breeze with our easy-to-follow instructions. Adjusting the height, backrest, and tilt is intuitive, allowing you to quickly find your ideal comfort settings. This versatile chair is perfect for your home, study, or office. Its quiet, 360-degree rotating wheels ensure smooth movement on any floor type. What we like. If you need a reliable and adjustable chair with the convenience of flip-up armrests, this model is a solid choice. The S-shaped backrest and lumbar support are designed for comfort during long workdays. If safety and stability are paramount, with its SGS-certified gas rod, you can feel confident in this selection. What people say. It went together so easily. It's very comfortable and the lumbar support feels great on my low back. This fit the bill. I love the color blue and I had that in my cart for a bit. The wheels are also super smooth, like you can run a chair race easily with it. It rolls over her rug and tucks into her desk easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.